we are off to the station. This is day 12 of journey of Run with Bitcoin, and we are off to Bharuch because this is Dr. Bitcoiner. Gotta go meet him and his parents. Well, I need to catch a train and I don't have cash. He's gonna help me here again. He helped me get my train ticket from Mumbai to.
Hola, yo me llamo Paco y soy de la India. I've traveled to 232 cities in 23 countries. And now, you can join me on my journey and travel with me.
नहीं अभी देखिए फ्लावर्स हैं, गॉट मी फ्लावर्स. थैंक यू सो मच. बस आपको इंट्रोड्यूस करेंगे.
वेलकम टू भरूच. मेरा नाम है डॉक्टर पार्थ.
थैंक यू.
वी आर होस्टिंग पाको हियर.
थैंक यू सो मच. चलिए ब्रदर, थैंक यू. This is it, man. I was literally there for autos, telling him I have no money, and he comes and rescues me. Thank you so much. When did you first hear about Bitcoin, brother?
2018.
18, okay. Do you have a Bitcoin?
Yes.
All right. When did you get your first Bitcoin?
2019.
How do you feel? What difference do you feel after getting a Bitcoin?
Difference is freedom. Freedom that I will get my money anytime, anywhere in the world I want. Like easily accessible money.
So yeah. Any advice for the future Bitcoiners?
Try accumulating as much as possible.
Yes.
And it will give you the freedom in future. अभी तो hold करो.
Yes.
Don't sell it easily.
तुरंत
तो आएगा नहीं.
Wow.
तुरंत तो आएगा नहीं.
So Parth, Bitcoiner friend. Thank you.
Life.
So now since I have no money, I'm gonna go to the bus stop, and I doubt he'll accept Bitcoin. But if he doesn't accept, he'll help me get a Bitcoin, and I'll send money on chain. He's got a wallet. You got a wallet?
Yes.
Which wallet do you use?
I have downloaded the Blue Wallet specially for Paco.
Hey, lovely. But really kind parents, and parents have taught me one thing: keep trying. All right, so I am heading to the bus stop. Send.
Done.
Aya.
Done, आ गया.
Thank you, brother. All right, so I've left and I've sent him on Bitcoin, and I'm really grateful. Like so much happened over this time. Got my ticket on Bitcoin because he had a wallet, and parents were really nice. They told me so much about their past. So now let's just reach Baroda. Ciao. Hi, what's up? So the bus has stopped for some quick lunch, and let's see if this guy accepts Bitcoin or no. He says no, then we can't eat anything. सर बिटकॉइन लेते हो? बिटकॉइन लेते हो? बिटकॉइन लेते हो? Man, he really knows and he's really curious and he wants to do it. So I'll just grab myself a chai and I'll grab a little small bite and I'll transfer him on Lightning wallet so he gets into the process. And he gets. I've told him everything. Chai कितने की है? 20 की. I'll give him 50 rupees. 50 रुपये का देता हूँ आपको. रखो. संभाल के रखना. Promise करो. 46 rupees. Pay. सेंड. ये आपको क्या आएगा? आ गया आपको 50 रुपये. तो संभाल के रखो. Wow, he accepted it and he gave me a chai. This is the hotel. This is it. This is my bus. That's my seat here. This is so cool. This is pretty much the best bus stop in India, I feel. Okay, let's just go catch myself a taxi. Found my auto guy. And let's just go. क्या नाम है आपका?
R.K. Pandey.
Well, I'm here and this is the building. You see, this is Baroda. Baroda, bro. And I'm so happy I see the name Baroda Wala. I see Baroda Wala. And I'm in Baroda, bro. How are you? This is for you.
Oh my god.
Thank you so much.
Very much.
Thank you so much.
Sweet job for you.
Wow. I'm in the house and this is on the 10th floor and this is the view right from here. So I just took a little shower and I've got a little present also from Bharuch, from Dr. Park. Oh my god, they gave me a chocolate, peanuts, and more chocolate and all of this. This is insane. Like, this is insane. This is it, my boy. I'm gonna ask him 4 quick questions.
Alright, let's go.
When did you hear about Bitcoin?
I heard about it when I was in college actually. I was an active investor there, so that would be back in 2016.
Wow, when did you get your first Bitcoin?
It was priced at $6,500 or $7,000.
Wow. So, how do you feel? What difference does it make to your life owning a Bitcoin or something?
For a fact, I don't own it right now. I used to do it in college. Very interesting. I haven't used it on my day-to-day life as in transaction. It'd be very interesting. How do you use it? But as an investment, it didn't turn out to be a great investment for me. But yeah, we all know that where it is right now. Definitely a very strong technology that they've built, and it'll be interesting to see where it goes.
Lovely. Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? It's a beautiful restaurant.
Thank you.
My name is Hitesh of Paco, and I'm traveling around the world by just using Bitcoin.
Bitcoin.
Have you heard about it?
Yeah.
Do you own any Bitcoin?
No.
Awesome. So as of now, I just came from Surat where I bought a locha on Bitcoin.
Okay.
Yeah, and got a taco on Bitcoin. So I was just wondering if we can barter for some Bitcoin.
We are not doing anything.
Okay.
Yeah, we are actually not accepting any cryptocurrency. So
Okay.
sorry for that.
No worries. So get a orange. I don't know. Get something, bro. Classic mojito, current breezer. Get anything.
Fine, classic mojito.
And we'll get someone to get us to on Bitcoin. So I'm waiting for Azan. Azan, save me. He doesn't accept Bitcoin.
I told you.
He doesn't accept Bitcoin.
I told you.
Already save me. And then we'll set you up a wallet and then we'll send it to you. Let's do this. It's training.
Let's go for some tea.
Let's do this. Either way. Yeah. Bitcoin लोगे? Bitcoin नहीं लोगे? Great soul, man. This is great soul. He's got me a chai here.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Salute.
Salute. Good morning. So just woke up, and when I woke up, I had this view. The entire Baroda I can see from here, and it's beautiful. Like I woke up, wanted to go for a run. It was raining heavily. As such, yesterday was a beautiful day, and now I'm about to head out with Azan to Halol.
Good morning, guys.
How far is it?
It's 45 kilometers.
45. Content. On Maro?
Yeah, let's do this.
Wow. Thank you, bro. This is so pretty. What all fruits you have? Fruits and trees.
We have papaya, sweet lime, mangoes, lemon, chiku. Yeah.
Hi, bro. Lives. Oh, there are 2. Come meet your family. The boss has kept his food. And yes. Namaste Bitcoin family.
This is day number 13 and I would like to say thank you to everyone who's been supporting me and sharing their well wishes. It's going really amazing. So Run with Bitcoin is going crazily amazing. Started on 17th and we're headed off from Bangalore, where we had a run and a meetup at Draper Startup House. From there headed over to Pune, where Saurabh hosted me, and where else? Cafe took us and invited us over for hosting a Bitcoin meetup and managed to get coconut water, a chai, vada pav, my haircut, all in exchange for some Bitcoin. Then headed over to Mumbai, where Siddharth Sogani and Bharat Advani were really helpful and they arranged everything for me. It was a great meetup at Radio Club and got to meet Suril Desai too down there, and got to have sushi as well as pizza on Bitcoin. And moved over to Surat, and there again managed to get the famous Locha on Bitcoin. I have to go over to the Tikana Cafe, where another meetup was held, and over 20 people came over just for Bitcoin meetup only. So there were meetups in all these places, and from there headed into Vadodara while having a small little tea stop in Bharuch. And there were Dr. Parth was there, and he and his family received me. And here in Vadodara, I'm here at my friend's farmhouse, who is also a Bitcoiner, and been just amazing. Like, this is well spread out. Humans are really kind. And I'm really grateful that I've got to meet you all and get to share all this, spreading awareness and being able to travel just purely on Bitcoin, where I've not even used a single rupee. So I love you all and thank you so much. I am really excited to see you forward in the other cities. And nos vemos pronto, jaldi milenge. And please keep sharing your blessings and see you on the journey of Run with Bitcoin. Namaste. Ciao. So I thought like we will be just in the farmhouse of Azan. We'll have lunch there since he has a house, he has everything. But then he's like, there is one more house. And we are at the other house now. This is so cool. But, wow, what is that, bro? Oh yeah, it's a toy gun, bro. You don't mess with the Bitcoin. Nothing from here, but Petit and buen provecho. This is chicken, lamb. That's lamb.
Let's head back to Baroda now.
Yes.
Yep.
Wow. So now we're gonna go and we're gonna grab some samosas on the way. I'm really hungry. Turns out there is some Bitcoiner. So we are at Jugadi Adda. Your name, brother?
Karan, my name is Karan.
Karan, thank you so much for inviting me. I'm gonna have some vada pav with him, and I'm gonna take away some vada pav. I'm gonna ask him 4 simple questions. Everybody, let's go for it.
Yeah.
Introduce yourself, brother.
My name is Karan. I'm the owner of the store,
Okay.
and we started it last year.
Lovely. What does the store do?
We sell vada paos, fusion vada paos.
Oh.
You see, basically it's a burger and vada paos fusion.
Lovely.
Yes.
Okay. So when did you first hear about Bitcoin?
7-8 months ago.
Nice. Do you own any Bitcoins?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
This all happened, bro. I'm gonna take a samosa. He's really great soul. Young chap. He believes in investing in Bitcoin. So that's a great way to move forward. And that's wonderful. Love you, brother. Wish you all the best, man. Thank you. How is this possible, bro? How do I have Sindhi Bitcoin in your house? How? How? Tell me. Do you have any Bitcoin, bro?
No, not yet.
Why?
Because I didn't find an ambassador like you.
Yes, you can answer. Bro, do you have a Bitcoin?
I'll buy after you educate me.
Lovely, great. Good morning, what's up? So this is September 30th and I'm heading out for a run to somewhere called Sayaji Bagh. It's the Sayaji Garden. It's about a 4 kilometer from here, 4 back. It's super sunny. Like, I'll show you how sunny it is. It's right in your face. We are almost at our destination.
Now let's catch an auto back to our house. Good day. Bye bye. My friend. Awesome. We are back at Shantan Tower.
Let's head off to Lakshmi Vilas Palace.
The guy's here already. So I'm here and you'll see me using rupees today because Azan gave me some money and obviously they wouldn't expect anything else. Well, so they will not allow me to take the camera inside. Not good.
Bitcoin here. Bitcoin लेते हो? Awesome. So got my auto, heading back to the house, pick up the fam, head to lunch, and this is the end bye to this wonderful palace. Yo bro, excited for lunch?
Yes, this is the first time I'm having lunch on Bitcoin. Wow. It's really nice actually.
Lovely bro.
Alright, let's do this. We are waiting for another friend Naimish to join us.
Wow.
मेरे जो नॉन वेजिटेरियन फ्रेंड्स है वो बहुत मजाक उड़ा कर रहे हैं एक्चुअली। अब हुंडई का शोरूम है इन्हीं पास
नहीं bro, chill मारी सब.
Wow, brother, thanks to this guy. My memory card crashed and Naimish saved me. And I'm just gonna do them.
I'm not saving him, he's paying me.
Yeah, he saved me. I'm just gonna do it on chain.
अभी फोन भी टूट गया।
नहीं टूटता. Received it. Happy, right? You're happy with
Yeah,
this?
very happy.
So we had lunch on Bitcoin and now we got this on Bitcoin.
Hey, this is on.
Pago is running around without any fiat money, which is, to be honest, very shocking.
Yeah.
Lovely. This is we are bartering something. If I would have 2 bakris or 2 cows, that would have interested you because it is something tangible and physical in front of you. But similarly, it is Bitcoin.
You can buy Bitcoin with your rupees in your bank.
This is total. 5,000. All I want to see your expression as soon as you receive it.
Alright. Shall I close it? Fine. Got it already.
How much did you get?
5259 sats.
Alright.
That's Satoshi.
Yes. Perfect. Congratulations, buddy.
Alright, thank you.
That's the first coffee right here. Fist bump, buddy.
Alright.
Yeah, man. We bartered our first coffee right here. And an honor with his brother. Look at him. He's so happy with this showing. This is post meetup, everybody. Hi guys. Bitcoin. Say
You are going
Bitcoin.
to post this anywhere?
Yes.
बता देना कहाँ पे.
Bitcoin सही है? Oh my God.
सुनने में तो अच्छा लग रहा है.
सही है. चलेगा ना. समझ में आता है जनता को.
कौन सा
सही है ना? Yeah.